unrivaled quality, remarkable power, and exceptional durability. The 3 golden principles of ECOFAN industrial exhaust fans from KGY. Available in 10 diverse sizes, ranging from 40 to 140 centimeters, with airflow capacities tailored to meet the needs of any industrial environments. Equipped with S1 duty class electric motors, ideal for continuous operation and high temperature endurance. Industrial-grade design featuring form inlet and outlet frames for enhanced longevity in harsh industrial conditions. Low and compliant noise levels, achieved through static and dynamic balancing along with aerodynamic propeller design. Automatic damper to prevent backflow of air, dust, and unpleasant odors. Easy maintenance and service, enabling quick lubrication or part replacement. Aerodynamically engineered propeller with radial guide vanes for maximum airflow and static pressure. Butterfly damper with effortless opening mechanism and zero failure rate, ensuring uninterrupted performance, lower operating costs, and extended service life. IP55 protection rating, resistant to dust and water splashes, delivering reliable operation in demanding industrial settings. Compatible with industrial automation systems. Backed by a 36-month warranty and 10 years of after-sales support for your complete peace of mind. ECOFAN, a smart choice for industrial spaces requiring reliable and powerful ventilation. For more information, contact the sales engineers at KGY. We've got you covered.